Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given an expression 60 divided 30 bracket 1 plus 1. So let's start with today's video solution. So here we have given division, then bracket, and in bracket it's addition. So many people confuse from where to start this type of question. So we are going to use order of operation, that is PEMDAS or PEMDAS rule, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent. Division and multiplication both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction from left to right. So first in parenthesis, it is 1 plus 1, so it becomes 2. And here 30. If there is no sign between bracket and the number, then there is multiplication sign. Now 60 divided by 30 times 2. So we know that we have equal priority to division and multiplication. So if we are solving from left to right, we can write 60 divided by 30 times 2. So it becomes 2 times 2, which is 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.